Blood is a liquid form of liver that functions to send substance and oxygen needed by body tissues, transporting metabolic chemical, and also as a body defense against viruses or bacteria. Blood cells are all cells in all forms that are normally found in the blood. Blood cell consists of number 1. Erythrocyte or red blood cell. Erythrocytes don't have cell or organelle nuclei and are not considered cells in terms of biology. Erythrocytes contain hemoglobin and circulate oxygen. Red blood cells also play a role in determining blood type. Function of erythrocyte. In the lungs, erythrocytes carry out the function that involve a gas change. First, oxygen breathed in is picked up by the erythrocyte and carried to other cells, where it is used as food and fuel for the body. Then, carbon dioxide, which is considered waste from the body, is dropped off by the erythrocyte and breathed out. Anemia. This is one of the most common types of blood disorders that can occur if the red blood cells are affected. Number 2. Leukocytes or white blood cells. Leukocytes are divided into two groups, namely granulocyte neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils, and agranulocyte, lymphocyte, and monocyte. Leukocytes are responsible for the immune system and the process of restoring objects that are considered by someone, the wild viruses or bacteria. Function of leukocyte is generally this common to protect the body against infection. The disease caused by the white blood cell or leukopenia. Number 3. Thrombocytes or platelets. Thrombocytes are blood cells that are important in normal blood clotting. Thrombocyte counts can be used as early detection or diagnosis for various diseases or conditions that can cause blood clotting problems. Thrombocytes or platelets will react if blood vessels are damaged or injured. When a wound occurs, the platelet adjusts to the shape of the wound and forms the initial block to shrink the wound. This process is called adhesion. Function of thrombocytes or platelets glands during the blood clotting process. White a thrombocyte might be experiencing bleeding as a sign of blood clots. In order to our bodies to escape the disease wars, should we keep lifestyle and food we consumption of every day? Thank you.